Twins?
Teddy Bear is almost falling off a dangerous cliff, Paula. You and Chalky need to save him.
Hang on tight, Billy and Teddy Bear. We're on our way. La la la. On our way to save Teddy Bear.
Help! Save me!
Whoa! Calc!
What's that?
Hi, guys. Check out my toy plane. Isn't it cool?
Yeah, it is, Tim.
My plane can fly really high and fast. Watch.
Whee!
Oh, look at it go.
Will it be able to save Teddy Bear from falling off the box? I mean cliff?
Of course. Come on, Cal. We've got a mission to save Teddy Bear from falling off the cliff. Stay calm, Teddy Bear. We're here to rescue you.
You saved Teddy Bear, Tim.
Not yet. To complete your mission, you need to carry Teddy Bear safely through all the obstacles and land on the pillows over there.
Okay, Paula. How many obstacles are there?
The numbers can help us count how many obstacles the plane has to avoid. Okay, everyone. Let's count the number of obstacles the plane needs to avoid to bring Teddy Bear to safety.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is there a blinking red light and beeping sounds coming from the TV?
I'm not sure, Billy. Let's activate the supercomputer to find out. It's time to run the numbers.
Hello? Paula? Guys? Can you hear me? I'm lost in the jungle and I'm so hungry. Please help. I'm at the bottom of...
Mr. Totemhead? Hello?
Oh dear, I think he's in trouble.
Then we need to rescue him.
Okay, guys, we've got a new mission. Let's go to the jungle to save Mr. Totemhead.
Totemhead, where are you?
Mr. Buddy, we're looking for Mr. Totemhead too.
Thank you, children. But the jungle is so big, I don't know how we're gonna find him.
Great idea, Chalky. We can get a better view of the place if we're higher up, just like that bird.
Look, Calc climbed a tree to get higher up. Do you see Mr. Totemhead from up there, Calc? Oh, man.
I guess we need to go even higher.
Oh, I have an idea. Did you bring your plane, Tim?
Calc, do you see Mr. Totemhead? No?
What if we try searching that way?
Anything, Calc? Nothing, huh?
Look out for that tree, Tim.
Whoa, that was close. Sorry, Calc.
I think Calc wants to go higher. Watch out for the bird, Tim.
Oh, no, oh, no.
Oh, dear, I can't watch.
Calc, are you okay? But it looks like my plane is not okay.
How will we find Mr. Totemhead now?
Looking for something, children?
Mr. Explorer!
Oh, dear.
I could have sworn I saw a talking Totemhead just now.
Whoa, is that a drone, Mr. Explorer? It's so much cooler than my plane.
Ah, yes. It also has a snack compartment right here.
Cool. Can I try it?
Sure.
Wow, it has a camera too. Hello.
I can see you on the screen, Billy.
That's great, which means Calc won't have to go up on the drone.
Oh, yeah. Can we borrow your drone, Mr. Explorer? Please? Please?
No problem. It's time for a tea break anyway.
Yes, thank you.
Then find that talking totem head.
Finally. Now, let's keep looking.
The drone has found something. Is it Mr. Totemhead?
Maybe. Let's take a closer look. Nah, it's just a monkey.
The drone has found something else.
I don't see anyone there.
Fly it down. Maybe he's trapped below.
Okay, buddy.
We found Mr. Totemhead.
Is there a way we can ask if he's okay?
Maybe it's this button.
Hi, Mr. Totemhead. Are you okay?
You found me. I'm lost and very hungry.
The snack compartment.
Oh, right.
Yippee!
Follow the drone and we'll lead you back out.
Mr. Totemhead, you're safe.
Yes, I'm so glad to see all of you. Thank you for saving me.
We found and saved Mr. Totemhead and got cool new gadgets, Paula.
That's right, Billy.
Smile, Billy. You're on TV.
Oh, hello.
Can I be on TV next, Tim?
Sure, Paula. Smile.
Hello, I'm Paula. Behind me are my friends, Chalky and Cow.
Hello?
Hi, Mr. Totemhead. What's up?
I need help.
Are you lost again, Mr. Totemhead?
Not me. Buddy, we're playing hide and seek, but I can't find him. Can you guys help me?
Hide and seek? Sure, Mr. Totemhead. Do join us on our next adventure. Click subscribe.